God, I hope my kids are okay. Oh, shit. I am shaking like a goddamn son of a bitch. I can't even breathe right now. And I'm pretty sure that that's not over with. If I remember correctly, that is going to be the middle of it, and that is just tons of debris. Oh my God, I hope my house is okay. I couldn't get any of my animals to come with me. They were all hiding. Lily is under the deck. The cats, one ran off somewhere. The other one is hiding somewhere in the couch, and I was so scared that I had to just leave them. Oh my God. And here comes another dude. I can hear it. You can hear it, guys. You're about to see it. I'm shaking to death. Please let me have a house. Please let me have a house. Do you see all the debris? Oh my God, it's just falling like nuts. It looks like a bomb went off. It's mud, it's dirt, that's grass. It's coming down the hole. I hope it's over. God, I hope it's over. I hope this is the end. I hope this